Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around the approved used Land Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the fabulous Firenze Red. Let's start our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we'll find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead. Cascading down the side, the sporty and luxurious dynamics are continued as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch alloys. Venturing to the rear, where we'll see the rear privacy glass along with the rear LED tail lights, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes. Upon opening, the power tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of shopping or even luggage for a week away. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony grey and leather seats, which alongside their Meridian surround sound system will ensure entertainment and comfort on any length of journey. Glimpsing into the cockpit will reveal your 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your heated leather multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip, your speed and your sat-nav. As we advance over now to your 10-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera. As we look down now, you'll be able to see your climate control systems as well as heated seat functions. You'll also be able to access your fan speed as well as further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems. Looking up now, you'll see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. Thank you for watching. This has been a presentation of a approved used Land Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic SE. Thank you for watching.